Right, I got a Milwaukee Fuel half-inch brushless impact wrench. It's the M18 line. It's brand new. Fuel brushless. It's got a problem. That's it. That's all it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flash. It blinks 6 times. Not sure what that is. And my battery is full. The battery is fully charged. And it's not hot or anything. It's cool. I've never used this before, so I'm not sure what the problem is. And it's brand new. Never used this before. This out of the box, and it's like that. So let's open up and check it out. Right, so this is the inside of the impact wrench, and as you can see here, this is very complicated electronics. This is the motor. That's the board for the motor. Got a billion chips on it to control the motor. And then that's the trigger. And then there's look at how many wires coming through here. There's a lot of electronics in this impact wrench, and this is where it failed so early. I mean, I haven't even got a chance to use it yet. It's brand new, out of the box, and defective. I think this is the design flaw of this impact driver, and I've looked on the internet, in the internet forum, in the discussion forum. There are quite a few people who have the same problem also with the blinking light. So I think it's a design flaw. There are some previous generation Milwaukee impact driver have the same blinking LED problem. So when you press on the trigger, the LED blink, but nothing happened. And the problem with that was the temperature sensor contact is loose. So on the bottom here there are a few contacts, and one of these contacts is the temperature sensor, and it's either dirty or loose, and that makes the impact driver thinks that the battery is overheated, so it stopped working until you clean the contact, and it works fine after that. But this one here is brand new, so it shouldn't be dirty or loose or anything like that. So I don't think this one's got a problem with the contacts for the temperature sensor. Maybe the board's got a problem. Let me show you the boards here. There's another circuit board right here. So all of these, let me see. So there are 4 contacts on the bottom. The top one is ground, the bottom one is positive or hot. The 2 contacts in the middle, they are temperature sensor and something else, and they are connected to the board on the top. This circuit board right here, you can see the electrolytic capacitor sticking out, and the board is sealed inside a silicone based resin, soft resin. So there might be something wrong with the board down here also. That tells the controller to stop working. Probably, I don't know. There are too much electronics in this thing. Too problematic. Alright, so I've got two of these to compare the differences. This one here is the defective one. This one here is a good one. Both of them are brand new. And this one was made in January 2016. This one was made in May 2016. And they are completely different. I'll show you here. This trigger here, you can see, color is black. It's got a little connector down here. There's also a circuit board up here for the switch, forward reverse switch. Whereas this one here, you see, the controller is totally different. It's a smaller controller and it's brown, different color too. There's no connector down here, and there are no circuit boards up here either. Show you again. Circuit board up here, and there's a connector down. So it's completely different. And because the size of the controller board here are different, the plastic casing are also different. That means you cannot take the casing from this controller and put it on the other impact driver, and vice versa. They just are not compatible. Everything from this point up, including the motor, the gear, and everything up here are completely the same. But from here down, it's different. And within a very short time frame, this one was made in January 2016. This one is May 2016. And it's only 4 months apart. Within a very short time frame, they radically changed the design of the impact, so including the casing. So that means they have to make an entire new mold to mold this case, and that's very radical change. So there must be something very wrong going on with the previous generation impact range. And they even put in this one here is revision 3. Revision 3, there's no revision on this one. So they have changed quite a lot. So there must be something wrong with the older generation impact range to make them radically change their design.